the channel, or welcome back. I'm Xavier, and today we're going to be watching Bridgerton, season 4, episode 5. We're back for part 2. So gonna try to keep this short as possible. Sorry if I don't do that. But yeah, so last time we had we ended up with the Penwoods moving into the house next door. We had Lord Anderson and Violet doing the business. Benedict made a proposal, a mistress proposal to Sophie, and she was like, nah, and get out of there. We're seeing more of the staff, seeing that side of things. Anthony and Kate are supposed to show up in this season. I got spoiled a bit with what happens with Francesca and John. But they were making it kind of clear what was gonna happen. So yeah, not clear. They were making it clear. There were subtle hints, but yeah, I got spoiled about Francesca and John. So looking forward to see when that happens. Not looking forward to it. I mean, because I like John, but you know, yeah. What else? Also, yeah, it's totally fine that Benedict doesn't recognize Sophie. Mainly, it's because it's been months since he saw her as the lady in silver in episode 1. It's been months since he actually met her at the countryside, the Cavendish house. That's it, Cavendish estate. So it's been months, so fairly clear why he didn't recognize her. So that's totally fine. And yeah, I get why he offered her the mistress thing, because she's a maid. He can't really mess up society like that. Also, they're showing it with the guy, his friend who had a mistress and stuff. So yeah, and Anthony and the mistress in season 1, all of that. Yeah, so that's it. And Lady Mondridge is gonna be like a replacement for the Queen's handmaid, or lady in waiting, something like that. Yeah. All right. And so the title of this episode is Yes or No. A new neighbor shakes the Bridgerton house. Hyacinth and Gregory take their first step into society. Penelope struggles with the loss of anonymity. Oh, so we're getting more of what it's like for Penelope being known as Lady Wisdom. Interesting. Oh yeah, and we had that little thing where Eloise and Hyacinth had a little tiff because Eloise was having more of a rapport with Sophie as the lady's maid rather than Hyacinth as the sister. Yeah. So let's get into it.
This author believes the 3 most common words in Mayfair may be my mistress.
Oh, really?
This author knows of at least one mister whose wife is not the only woman in his life. Then a certain mister should perhaps learn to be more discreet. Beings from opposing worlds are often drawn to one another.
You gotta be discreet. You gotta separate the lives. Oh!
It will burn should they meet.
Hey, I can't blame her for doing that, he missed. Poor Benedict. Oh, he stepped over. Yeah. Oh wait, this is a different night. It's a different night. It's not the same.
In fact, I think Mrs. Wilson would sooner walk naked through Mayfair.
Marcus.
And I think they would so much enjoy seeing your happiness.
Yeah, he wants to make you public. That's what he's suggesting there.
This Mr. and Mistress you write about, it is Mr. Hiscox, is it not?
Oh, please do not ask me that. If only to warn Mr. Hiscox to be more cautious. Lest he ruin the reputation of his entire family.
So it is Mr. Hiscox.
I found employment at Cavendish House in the countryside.
Oh, she's gonna say.
Ask me to be his.
Take a breath.
Good God, he's what?
Mistress.
Keep it down, man. Keep it down.
Am I wrong to imagine that would please you as well?
It would certainly please me.
Nearly every high society gentleman has a mistress, Sophie.
I know that. Better than anyone, surely.
Yep. Her mother was a mistress.
She's at the palace. Palace at the palace.
What is it?
There is a woman.
Of course there is. Is it the woman from the masquerade?
Yes.
Nope. She does not exist, remember?
Who is she?
Maid.
No woman, no man, no person truly desires to be hidden.
Very true.
How can a woman trust you to navigate a complicated life with her when she cannot trust you even to navigate her feelings?
Oh, wait, that's a bar.
Okay, the music, that's, yeah, but he's right. Sorry, I was vibing with the music, man.
Good evening. Or should I say, good morning?
Did we keep you up?
I have not wanted to break up the festivities, but it is
Kind of loud.
4 in the morning.
We used to plunder the kitchen all the time when we were children.
Oh, yes. It was great fun.
I do not wish to do that.
Please to be present during any of my lessons.
Party pooper.
Let's return to the marriage mad. That was our arrangement.
Yes, it was.
No, you cannot do that.
She can.
Hyacinth, let us convene. Has something occurred to make you wish to leave?
Yes.
No, Mum.
But she can't say.
Mrs. Wilson, do you ever get the sense that Sophie is hiding something?
Do you think she's taking advantage somehow?
No, the opposite.
And so he wrote to tell our ladyship and her girls to vacate to a rented house immediately.
Oh, wait, is the new Lady Penwood, Cressida Culper?
Who do still have one very unmarried son.
2 unmarried sons.
A, B, C, D, E, F.
Gregory, I believe is his name.
Who perhaps will be eligible by the time you are ready to marry.
Has there been any progress between you and Mr. Bridgerton?
We yet searched through all the crates for...
Yeah.
I believe they were stolen by one of the household servants.
Sophie Beck.
Oh, Posey's getting Sophie into trouble. I completely understand why Posey is afraid of saying it, though.
But if you did, you would know that being your mistress is the last thing I would ever want. My answer is no.
I simply picked the first one I saw.
I think it is an excellent choice.
Expected answer from her.
I hope to warn you, Mr. Hiscox.
And what about me? Did you not think of me? And now my plan to save small sums so that I could be independent the day he inevitably dropped me for someone prettier and younger. It is all gone. Help me. Please. Write again.
To say what?
Say that Ton has confused me for someone else, please.
Miss Virginia,
She can't do that.
it would not change anything.
That is true.
You were seen together far too much.
We were careless.
Yes.
But it is because we love one another.
Perhaps we could introduce her to some gentlemen tomorrow night. Then she might make her own routine.
Please, let us not. I believe she's quite insistent on marching into spinsterhood. That is all.
It's because she likes women.
Could you not talk to Lady Bridgerton for me?
No, my dear. The point is for me to step back.
And you to step forward.
Nicky did have an invitation to Miss Hyacinth's recital.
He has not had a single dance lesson.
Well, we all have to start somewhere.
2 more. Would you like one as well? No.
What do you like one as well? Oh, man.
I have 2 options.
Okay.
There is giving up.
Yeah.
And there is giving in to a midday drunk.
Oh.
Sorrows in the bottom of the bottle. Would you like to join me in one?
I think there are 3 options, my brother.
What are you doing in here?
Yeah, he's supposed to be asking you that.
Someone I met one night at a ball some months ago.
See? Clarification? Months.
No, I did, until I met you.
Yeah.
Is she someone you would have married?
Oh, I saw this scene in the like preview. This scene.
It is you that I want now, Sophie.
Well, up to this part here when he walked in.
Why do you find it suitable to kiss me?
Oh.
Because you are irresistible.
But why is it suitable? Would you have found it suitable to kiss the lady that you met at that ball? Or would you have been a gentleman and refused to ruin her? Do you truly understand what you're asking me with that question? You are asking me to relinquish my virtue, my dignity, my self-respect, all to be reduced to a glorified courtesan who will never be able to marry. I may not be as high as a lady, but I refuse to be that low.
Oh.
As a maid, I am respectable. Tell me, please, for what?
I apologise. Forgive me. I will go.
I completely get her point, though. Very, very valid.
You must feel like you're on holiday with your new employer compared to Lady Featherington.
What are you implying, Rebecca? Well, she may not have been perfect. I'm afraid I cannot tell you anything.
W for Mrs. Varley.
But I did used to work with another Miss Beck many years ago.
Her mother, maybe.
Would you like a slice of taleggio?
No, thank you. Clearly, I am the more seasoned brother.
Yes, but you're not married, so you clearly have not been the most successful.
You tell her your own feelings. Well, once you've met that young lady who is meant for you, who challenges you, sees you as you are, you cannot let any amount of fear stop you from letting your heart speak.
Inspiration! It won't go well, Francesca. You're introduced to them, but it will not go well.
Daphne told me that if a young man takes a fancy to you, he will offer to obtain a lemonade for you.
Lemonade have to do it. No one told me about lemonade.
Well, there a friend attending tonight, and he is called Lord Anderson. He is my friend. I have a friend.
I must ensure the footman will come by with lemonade regularly.
Oh, Hyacinth. I had hoped perhaps she was of legitimate nobility so that she may be suitable. For what? Oh.
Benedict.
Thank you, Mrs. Wilson.
See, Violet caught the rag. She saw the feelings between Benedict and Sophie.
Perhaps this arrangement has run its course.
So if you could just give me another chance.
To do what? Take advantage of my good nature again?
Sophie Beck.
And?
Yeah, she's gonna sell her out.
I believe she's working at Bridgerton House.
Araminta got cozy, and Mrs. Varley both caught up. Oh man, she's good. Oh, damn, Gregory.
Well, and now we bow and curtsy and take a small break for refreshments.
We're getting more for Gregory and Hyacinth to do. I love it. Nice.
So, how did it go? Did you have a good conversation?
I think I may be in love.
Okay, brother. Calm down.
I shall fetch some lemonade.
Oh no!
Fool this man!
Yeah, more.
Well, it's not fallen apart.
I do not.
Oh!
Mr. Bridgerton, do you need something?
Yes.
No,
Oh.
I found it.
Oh, okay. All right.
Whistledown takes up a space which makes it impossible to deliver good, true, fair gossip. And I have considered, I was wondering if you might consider,
Oh, she
knowing
wants
that you are a patron not only of Whistledown but also of the arts, if you might consider letting me
She will not let you quit.
rest my column and pursue other writing.
No. No, no, no.
Why does everyone keep asking me these questions? I should like to retire.
Hey, just like with Lady Danbury, she says no.
And I am a family man myself. Lady Kilmartin believes we have much in common.
If you will excuse me, my lord, I could use a moment to freshen up.
He told you.
I asked you, kindly, not to force suitors onto Michaela.
He expressed interest. I thought perhaps she might be flattered.
That is not the point, Francesca.
I will find her.
You are upset with me.
Yes, as she should be.
Why? Do you not remember ambushing me just now with an unwanted suitor?
I apologize.
He appreciates my chaos. You could do with some yourself.
You are causing him distress.
No, I am causing you distress.
Of course you are. To be a good wife, all the while feeling constantly inadequate, like there is something wrong with me. Must you add to that?
You have had your housekeeper organise your jigsaw collection numerically. What could possibly be wrong with you? There are very few people I feel secure with, and John is one of them.
That's sad.
I have never seen him laugh the way he does when he is with you, which is why, if I am honest,
Jealous?
I'm a little envious of your chaos.
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
Are you a little drunk?
You are not the only one who can be spirited.
Yeah.
Well, I could use more spirited friends.
Friends then?
Earlier this week,
Yay!
this author wonders if perhaps the desire is not the problem, but the world itself.
Run off with Gregory, surely. I'll try to find him.
Are you well?
Araminta Gunn, the Dowager Lady Penwood.
Araminta Gunn is our next door neighbour. She was here, suddenly feeling poorly.
Oh no!
Will you tell Mrs. Wilson I'm going to lie down for a little while?
Oh!
We will take a brief...
Mrs. Mondrich is gonna find them.
Benedict, leave that be. Going on between the two of you, it is not appropriate.
Mother, before you chastise me, might I inquire what you are doing with Lord Anderson? You are bedding a man who is not your husband with your children sleeping down the hallway. That's none of my business, but nor is mine yours.
Oh! Damn!
I'm here for you!
But I did not ask you to be. Do you not understand that?
I did not ask for any of this. I did not ask you to pursue me or to touch me or to kiss me.
She heard them.
Each time you show me, it hurts me. You hurt me.
I do not care who sees. All I care about...
Of course you do not care who sees, but when do you stop to think about me?
Every moment of every day. There is not a single moment. You do not fill my mind.
I agree.
I've heard every qualm you raised about being with me, and I wish there was some other way for us to be together. But the thought of spending a single day without you torments my soul. You deserve the very world. But how else am I to be with a woman society has made it impossible for me to be with?
Yeah.
Foolish enough to fall in love with.
You weren't foolish to fall in love with her, man. You are not.
I love you, Sophie.
You cannot.
No, I cannot.
But he does.
I cannot love a maid. I cannot be with a maid. I cannot think of a maid every waking hour, longing for a life with her. And yet, you have taken possession of me. I would not marry. I could not look twice at anyone else. If only you would love me back.
Oh, she does.
But you will change your mind. Your attention will be drawn elsewhere.
You are not that kite in my study. You're the person I've been searching for all my life. I love you. I love you.
Of course I love you.
Yeah, she said it back.
I love you.
And more. Yeah. Are they gonna get busy?
Is it all right?
I want you. I wanted you for so long. Slow it first, please. I've heard it can hurt.
I love. Okay, so it started out tender, and now it's like ratcheting up. It's like, yo, we're going at it. Very believable. Yeah. Okay, so that was episode 5 of Bridgerton, and okay, the title, yes or no, it makes sense now. Alright, so we got caught up where we see Gregory and Hyacinth are now in society a little bit, not much, just a little, you know, they're meeting new people and all that, you know, so step by step there. And the guy said, oh, get lemonade, and he got a lemonade but only for himself. No. But yeah, so what do you end on? Benedict finding out about Lord Anderson. Violet had her thoughts about Sophie and Benedict, and she was like hoping, oh, maybe Sophie is part of some nobility or something, but no, she found out she's illegitimate, and like, that sucks. Her and Benedict can't be together, and so that's the overarching thing. And so I led to the confrontation between Benedict and Violet, and that was yikes. But hey, interesting. Obviously, going to see more of the family disagree with Benedict loving Sophie, and so oh, he said he loves her, and she said she loves him back, and that's what they needed, because before, to Sophie, it felt like he was just being lustful or whatever. I think there was anything deeper in it, but no, now they know, now she knows that there's actually feelings behind it and everything, you know. There's love. It's not just you just want pump and dump. Nope, it's love attached to this, and the mistress offers pearl because he thought there's nothing else. And so that's why I made the offer, but nope, there's actually feelings behind it. There's love and everything, you know. Yeah. But what we will do now, further to that, so we found out about the Penwoods moving next door, the Dowager Penwood, but now there's a new Lady Penwood. I'm thinking, is it Cressida? I heard that rumor, I saw that rumor, something that Cressida was supposed to be that. But I wasn't sure about it and everything, but I don't know. Michaela and Francesca found a little new ceiling, it's a new little connection, and John is unwell, and we know that what that's gonna lead to. Sucks that I was spoiled about that, but you know, it is what it is, you know. But yeah, okay, what can you do? And Ben trying to say about what Lord Anderson was doing and everything, man, that didn't go well. So, cause Benedict Gregor and Harrison are like, okay, why are you telling us this? He's your friend, so. But I regarding to the Queen, she is resistant to change, because so there Penelope, she ruined the thing that Mr. Hiscox had with his mistress, and his mistress, Miss Virginia, went to Penelope and complained everything, and Penelope's like, oh, I can't do this anymore, I don't want to do this because people know me, and so I can't just write, she can't just write really nilly. But then she said, try to coach it a little bit, but it still not work. And so she's like, but I'm gonna just give it up. And the Queen is like, no, you cannot give it up. But I figure by the end of the season that she will give it up, being Lady Wisdom. And that's the arc that Penelope is gonna have this season, and then she's gonna move on to writing somewhere else next season. And also that Lady Danbury will be able to, she'll still be part of society, because the showrunners have said that she's not leaving the show. So she'll be in there, she'll still be in the show, but she's gonna probably, her character arc is to be more independent of the Queen, you know? And that's why Alice is in there. Alice found out about Benedict and Sophie. We're not too sure how that's gonna play out, but interesting to see how that's gonna work and everything. I wonder. Anything else there? Yeah, the love scene. But I'm not sure, I think. And you know, oh yeah, Anthony and Kate not back yet. A little scene of the brothers and the brothers-in-law and everything. Yeah, so okay, so the love scene and the I love you, very well done. It started off slow and tender and everything, because she said slow at first, and then they went from slow to bam. And I read that because I was realistic to, and obviously they condensed it and everything. So it's obviously her first time and everything, and so he was like being a little bam bam, you know, working up to it, and then they were going like that, going at it, and I respect it. In comparison to what was it? It was like Penelope and Colin. This time there was with Kate and Anthony. I don't think there was like any nudity or such, except like with the guy, and there was one like the top. So yeah, so tastefully done. It was like shrouded in like the everything, but originally it was like more like the love scenes you see in like PG-13 movies, and then it went to like oh no, this is adult stuff a little faster at the end. So yeah, did not expect that, but they did it. So it is what it is. But yeah, looking forward to the next episode and to see. Oh yeah, Mrs. Vardy sold out. Sophie, and also Posey sold her out. Araminta, she's good. She's good at what she did. She's threatened Mrs. Varley, and Mrs. Varley had to give in to save her job because Lady Featherington forced her into a corner. I thought Posey was gonna. I thought the diamond clips were Posey's, but it turned out they were Araminta's. I didn't know what they were. They said clips. It's shoe clips, and then she's very. She, as they showed us in part 1, she's very particular about her shoes. So, Posey was just trying to do something nice for Sophie, and it turned her back against Sophie. And I saw something like Sophie's gonna go to jail. So obviously this is how that comes to play. I was like, why would Sophie go to jail? I was like, why are these people talking about it? That's what the Twitter is. Way too much stuff comes into your feed, man. You're gonna get spoiled eventually. But yeah, whatever. It is what it is. So, yeah. But yeah, looking forward to the next episode. Those are my thoughts for now. Goodbye.